Okay, sorry. Um, so, one of the things I learned within this business is that, just because, like Christmas is going to be next week, we can't give up because a lot of times they're busy right up through that holiday season. But between Christmas and New Year's, it kind of quiets down. And I can get in there and have a conversation. I can bring breakfast, I can bring lunch, whatever it is, and get with those people and meet with them. And again, we're talking small, 5 to 15 employees in that company. So I've learned early on, don't stop, because even though it's going to be the holidays next week, and the holidays change as far as what day of the week they fall on. So this week, a lot of places are closed Thursday and Friday of Christmas and the day after, but get in there Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of the next week, and you can close strong but a lot of times, like I said, they're not as busy. And the owner typically is there because a lot of times he might also let his employees have some time off. So that's a great time to get with him as well.